Hey guys, so I guess you figured out by now that I'm not going to be here today. Feeling pretty sick, so I'm going to stay home and make sure that I don't share. Your classwork is going to be a bit challenging because your bridge is due today, and I'm not there to assist you. So let's walk through exactly what I expect from you, make sure that this is very clear, and then give yourself time to finish your bridge. So the first thing you're going to do today is you're going to watch this video, and I assume you figured that out because you're currently watching it. Once you finish watching the video, you're going to complete the Google form, and it is going to remind you that your bridge is due today. And also, it's going to remind you that you can't take materials home. Since I'm not there, I'm not going to send home any pins or any blades. You can take home your bridge, you can take home some balsa wood, and you can take home a glue bottle. No blades, no pins. And if you do take those home, then you'll just have to use materials that you have around your house. Some type of a blade. You can get an X-Acto blade at Walmart or Target or Lowe's or Home Depot. And then pins are available anywhere, any store. Or you can just use a pair of scissors or something that you have around your home. And then once you finish the Google form, the rest of the period is going to be spent working on your bridge. Now, I'm not sure yet if you're going to have a substitute teacher or if we're going to have other teachers cover for you, but you are all very, very clear on my expectations of behavior. You know that there is zero tolerance for misbehavior when it comes to cutting, using any of the tools, or doing work in the classroom. And you also know that if you see somebody else break a rule that you must call them out. So as you're working today, behave. Remember to keep the caps on your blades. Keep your fingers back. Make good, safe choices, not just for yourself, but also make sure that everybody else in the room with you is safe. And before we get started, let's do look at the calendar. So today is January. It's going to be January 10th. So your final bridge is due. And then when we come back together on the 12th, we're going to test it. This is Wednesday. And then the 14th, it's the last day of the quarter, and we're going to do some graphing and graph the load to mass ratio. All right, guys, well, have fun, work hard, get your stuff finished, and I hope to see you all on Wednesday.